So anytime if you want to animate your joint, just make a right click on that particular joint and click on this animate joint. So here you can see this is how it is going to move with respect to this top body. So orientation will be something like this. So if it is a vertical orientation, so the bottom body will be moving 360-degree around this body. Now to restrict the movement at a particular angles only, now we'll do the other thing. We'll go on to the joints again. We'll click on the joint that we had applied. Once first press escape to turn off your animation from the keyboard. Then go on to the joint folder, click on the joint, make a right click, and here you will find a edit joint option. So I will activate this edit joint option. Then I will move to the other section of this box that says motion, right? And in the motion tab, I will turn on this maximum option over here, minimum and maximum option over here. And here I will assign 90 and we'll see how it is changing. So now if you click on the preview limit, you can see my body is only rotating from this point to the 90-degree angle that is in the horizontal orientation. So this is what we needed. From 0 to 90, the second body only had to rotate. So we had applied the constraint over here in the joint motion. So we had specified the constraint angle over here to the bottom body. And now if you press OK, now if you click on the bottom body and try to drag it, the maximum you can go up to the 90-degree only. So we had applied a joint over here that you can see with the name Revolute 1, and we had also applied a limit of 90-degree. There you can see like this. So it will never go inside your body. So it is only rotating up to that particular point. So this is how you can apply the joints between the body. So I think if I turn off the Revolute, this is just for the visibility. So if I turn off this from over here, this does not mean I turned off the joint. I'd only turn off the visibility of that particular joint symbol that you will be able to see onto that particular corner. So now you can see this is the body that we had designed. This is the soap box that we had designed that we can attach with the wall, and you can place your soap over here. So whenever you are done with it, you can keep it like in folded position like this. So all the water will be drained out from the bottom. So I think if you like the design, because this is a very simple design I did using Autodesk Fusion 360, and I had shared lots of concept, lots of tools, techniques, how we get up to this point, right?